I took a video.
Took a video?
Yes. So what's this for?
So this is basically, it's National Trust. They want to bring back the lost blossom.
Yeah.
So the blossom trees, in 1900s, there used to be thousands and thousands of blossom trees in Birmingham, around the size of 11 Birmingham bull rings. So the bull ring's fairly big. And the blossom tree fields used to be everywhere. Now we've got a concrete jungle here, and not a lot of people know Birmingham as a place filled with blossoms like it used to be. So the National Trust are planting 500 blossom trees in Birmingham, and they're encouraging people to plant more blossom trees. So hopefully we get a blossom-filled Birmingham,
Yeah, it's
which
beautiful.
will be amazing.
Yeah.
The thing about this picture is it looks amazing on the floor, but because of the way it's
It's like a 3D
painted,
picture.
yeah, it's like an illusion. It's like 3D, and it's actually been painted with vegan paints. So vegan paints, sustainable products, and things like that. So 2 weeks it took for the painting to be complete.
Wow, 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
Do you know who painted? Or?
Yeah, so we've got 2 gents here, and
Ah.
there was another 2 members, so 4.
They are artists or?
Street advertising, yeah. Just down here, they've got blossom trees in containers, and just over there in containers. They'll stay there for a little while, but then they'll be moved to the Commonwealth Games. When
Okay.
they've finished the Commonwealth Games, then they're going to be moved to community areas. So
Awesome.
hopefully it'll be a lot prettier when we have blossom trees everywhere.
Thank you.
No worries. My name's Layla Bell. We're National Trust ambassadors.
What's your name?
Layla Bell.
Leila Bao.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, lovely. I hope you have a fantastic video now.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Have a good day, my lovely. Take care.
See ya.